Get ready to check out some awesome new products, such as a tactical pen that could save your life, and even a mini fridge that you can take in your car. This is FutureTech. Cap Launcher Bottle Opener. Are you looking for some fun new games to play with your buddies at your next get-together? The Cap Launcher Bottle Opener has everything you need to have a good time. The bottom of this device has a built-in bottle opener that'll let you snap the lids off your bottles with ease. Just place it around the bottle cap in question, pull, and cap will pop right off. But that's not all. You can load the cap into the launcher and shoot it across the room using the spring-loaded trigger mechanism. imagiCharm. This amazing device was designed with young women in mind, helping to teach young girls about the importance of tech in the modern world and giving them an easy way to understand coding and circuit boards. This charm allows you to create designs and upload them directly to the charm. They can then be worn as a necklace, placed onto a backpack or purse, or work around your waist. Designing the charm is easy. Just open the app, draw a design, and upload it to the charm. However, things get more impressive when you open up the coding center, allowing you to implement some impressive features into your charm, such as animations or blinking lights. These charms are easily rechargeable and can connect to your phone wirelessly. They're perfect for teaching younger generations about technology and coding in a way that is both fun and productive. TPX-20 Titanium Tactical Pen. This pen is built with an all-metal construction that will allow it to last for many years. The pen is also packed with features, and the ink cartridge is completely replaceable. It is made with tungsten, so it will never corrode or scratch. It will remain rust-free for its entire life, and can even be attached to a keyring. Best of all, if you grab the pen with your palm, it will give you self-defense features if you need to fend someone off in the event of an attack. This feature also doubles as a way to break the glass of a car window if you happen to get trapped inside, or have no other way to get into the vehicle. The elegant appearance makes this pen perfect for daily use, and a built-in O-ring also makes it suitable for wet or dry conditions, keeping it safe from water intrusion into the shell. Ryze Tech Tello. This incredible little drone is equipped with a high-quality image sensor that allows it to shoot amazing photos and videos. It will even help you take videos if you have never piloted a drone before, allowing you to easily share them on social media directly from your smartphone. The 5-megapixel camera gives you amazing resolution for photos, as well as 720p videos at a maximum time of 13 minutes. The two antennas help the drone to remain safely connected to the remote, no matter where you are, giving you complete control and excellent battery time. With all of the tech that has been crammed into this tiny package, you'll be able to pull off some impressive tricks and stunts with little to no practice flying the front. Each drone will ship with 4 propellers, a set of propeller guards, a battery, and a USB charging cable. Norshire Mini Tire Inflator. This tiny tire inflator has everything you need to get back on the road or back into the game, no matter where you may be. At least 90% of this inflator is built with all metal components. He has a longer life than almost any other inflator on the market and is built with an OLED display so you can keep track of your inflation progress. You can even track pressure down to 1/10 of a PSI. The inflator is charged with a lithium-ion battery, making it easy to carry around wherever you go, and quick and simple to charge. This is the lightest and most versatile inflator on the market, and is perfect for inflating bike tires, balls, swimming accessories, toys, and many other items. The system can support pressures up to 175 psi, meaning it is suitable for almost any purpose. It can fill 8 bike tires when fully charged, and if it runs out of battery, you can quickly charge it using the 12-volt system in your car. Chefman Mini Fridge. The Chefman Mini Fridge is the perfect solution for your home, office, or bedroom. Its small size and portability make it super easy and convenient to carry wherever you go. It can easily fit into your travel bag, office, forum, car, boat, tent, or so much more. An eraser door is built onto the front so you can write down any memos or keep track of what's inside. It measures about 5 inches by 7.5 inches and can fit about 6 cans of soda. A removable shelf is included, so you can easily fit a small container of milk, yogurt, or other small items. With the simple slip of a switch, you can swap between cooling and warming features, so you'll always have access to what you need whenever you need it. You can keep your beverages cold or your lunch warm. The choice is yours. Microblade Pill Tie. This tiny cutting tool has everything you need to make easy and precise cuts, no matter what you may be working on. This blade can fit in your pocket. In fact, it can fit almost anywhere. It is designed in the shape of a pill, so that, no matter where you go, you can take the Microblade Pill Tie with you. This blade is made with titanium, so you know it is built to last for many years. You can cut open boxes, open packaging, or cut paper with ease. You can even use it to strip wires if you're in a pinch. The blade will not wear down over time if you take care of it properly, and these tiny blades are designed to last a lifetime. Being built solely out of aircraft quality titanium, measuring just 10 millimeters wide, you could fit this tiny blade almost anywhere. SPYFINDER Pro. This is the best hidden camera detector on the market that will locate any hidden cameras that may be in your proximity. If you're worried about someone spying on you in your home, office, or Airbnb, this device will easily expose any cameras that may be lurking around. The LED technology will react when a camera is near, so that you can easily find any cameras that may be hiding out of view. Just point the light all around the room until you find what you're looking for. This will keep you safe in tanning rooms, hotels, bathrooms, or even your own apartment. You can never be too safe. But with this tiny device, you'll always know when you're being watched. It is small enough to fit in your pocket or purse, and has a small viewfinder that will let you easily notice any cameras in the room. It runs on 2 AAA batteries, so that you can easily power it up when the need arises. RaceMouse. This is the world's most versatile travel mouse that is designed to work with almost any device you can imagine. This tiny device is not much larger than your average pack of dental floss and will fit anywhere. You can use it to scroll through your phone, your tablet, laptop, desktop computer, or even some televisions. Just pair the mouse to your favorite device and let the technology do the rest. This would be perfect for giving a presentation at work, or for use as a trackpad if you are on the go. It is much easier to use than a standard optical mouse and is completely wireless. You can easily recharge it whenever you need to, using the included USB charger, so you'll always have access to a mouse or trackpad wherever you are. Nimble. Opening packages can be pretty difficult. If you order items from Amazon, sometimes it may seem like you'll never get the package open fast enough. This tiny cutting device easily fits on the tip of your finger and will let you open packages in seconds. Just slide it on your fingertip and swipe it across the top of the package. The sharp corner will easily rip open the box without risking cutting yourself or anything around you.